Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to replace the motherboard, the Leica motherboard. First, we're going to make sure we have the same model of motherboard we're replacing. And then I'm just going to show you how to do it. Okay, so gently, first of all, you're going to make sure you're going to line up all the ports to the holes. Okay. Cables are not away. This out. And gently slide this back in its place. Okay. Like this. Okay, next you wanna make sure all the holes line up properly. And take a screwdriver. Make sure you don't screw set on the good settings, not to strip the screws. And then you go one by one, go across. Also, the trick is, before you replace, you get all the screws you need so you don't miss any screws, and all the screws are in place. So, okay. My thing is, you want to remove these covers here. Okay. The next thing is output. Start with the one. Like so. Then here. Make sure you don't lose all this blue and jumper. Oops. Next, install the fans here. Sure you get a line up here first, like so. Okay. Then you make sure it goes in like this. Snaps on a post. That's good. Okay, make sure this connector is connected. If if it was disconnected before. Okay, now we're gonna connect all the fan to the motherboard. And do it like so. One. Two. Three. Hold on, cameraman is out of my way. Okay. Then make sure you take the wires so it's not blocking the airflow. Keep it under. 1, 2, 3, and one more. One guys right here. There we go. Like so. Okay. So now the fan is connected. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. Okay, next I will connect power cable or power supply to the motherboard, like so. Yeah, you gotta make sure all of them connected and in a place. Here we go. It's done. Next I'll connect the power button. The trick is here. See the red line up here? Should go by that number 1 on the motherboard. So there you go. It's kind of tricky, but you can do it. Maybe. Okay, I just want to make sure that's that's good. Okay. So, okay, next we'll connect the serial cable.